Hey there, welcome back to channel. So the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max got a brand new feature which is called new action button. This brand new action button was first paged on the Apple Watch Ultra. This year Apple replacement the switch button and add this brand new action button, and this totally customizable. You can actually customize this action button up to 9 action. So this video I like to share you guys a quick first look and this new feature only for iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So there have 9 different action from the action button. Of course you can still use it as a mute switch as well as, and you also use enable any focus mode option and also launch the camera, take a quick picture and video. You can also use it to voice recorder, also enable flashlight, then launch the translator app. You can also launch the magnifier. Next you can open any app what you want, and the last one you also open accessibility feature directly from the action button. So this is all about 9 options on the action button. So if you found this video informative, don't forget hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.